They don't destroy, they create. Drones that fly into wastelands, deserts, and flood zones and build new ground, new soil, new life. This is the Terraform Drone, an autonomous machine designed to turn empty Earth into living land. And if it works, it could change how humanity rebuilds the planet. The idea started with a question. What if we could print landscapes the way we 3D print objects? Flooded islands, burned forests, collapsed farmlands, all rebuilt layer by layer. Now, climate engineers and roboticists are fusing aerial robotics, bioconstruction, and AI mapping to do exactly that. It's not about bombs or bullets, it's about drones that terraform in real time. The core concept, printing Earth. A Terraform drone carries payload modules, soil binders, micro-cement, biogel seeds, and nanoclay. It scans terrain with LiDAR and multispectral cameras, builds a digital map, and decides where to drop material. Each drone can lay down thin layers of reinforced soil, like a printer pass, then spray microbial gel that solidifies and begins regenerating topsoil. When swarms work together, they can raise coastlines, stabilize dunes, or build flood barriers out of the land itself. No steel, no concrete, just chemistry and precision. The tech under the hood. The drone skeleton is built from ultralight carbon composites and powered by hydrogen fuel cells, giving hours of flight. AI on board manages terrain mapping, weather compensation, and swarm coordination. Using shared data, 100 Terraform drones can behave like a single mind, adjusting altitude, wind resistance, and deposition patterns. Each drone carries a smart nozzle array that can switch between materials mid-flight: soil binder, seed gel, or bacterial mist. The mix hardens on impact, forming a crust that resists erosion, while living microbes slowly digest it back into fertile soil. Real-world experiments. Field tests are already happening. In the Middle East, prototypes have reinforced dunes by spraying biocement made from desert sand and bacteria. In Asia, climate researchers used similar drones to rebuild mangrove roots along flood-damaged coasts. And in Africa, humanitarian engineers tested soil printing drones to create flood berms around villages, with 80% less cost than heavy machinery. The results hint at a new kind of construction: organic infrastructure, grown instead of built. Challenges and ethics. Terraform drones face enormous technical hurdles. Wind turbulence, payload weight, and nozzle clogging can ruin prints. Biocement must cure its specific humidity, misjudge that, and the layer collapses. And then there's the ethical side. When does terraforming become geoengineering? Changing a landscape on purpose can shift ecosystems, alter river paths, or displace communities. Scientists argue for strict oversight. These machines can't be let loose without human governance, because rebuilding the planet still means deciding whose planet we're rebuilding. The future, swarm terraforming. The next generation will combine AI climate models with satellite feedback. Drones could read global data, decide where erosion is happening, and deploy autonomously. Imagine entire coastlines self-healing, robotic flocks seeding coral dust, spraying clay, rebuilding wetlands after hurricanes. Long-term, the same tech could travel off-world, Mars-bound drones that print breathable bases and protective terrain using local dust. The blueprint for rebuilding Earth may also be the key to building everywhere else. The Terraform drone doesn't fight nature, it learns from it. It builds, then steps back, letting biology take over. Because maybe the future of construction isn't about concrete and cranes. Maybe it's about swarms of intelligent machines whispering to the earth and teaching it how to grow again.